Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. Today we'll be checking out some more filters for the DJI Pocket 3. Today TELESIN has sent out their set of 4 filters for the Osmo Pocket, and I'm really hyped to unbox these, check these out and test them with you. Included in the box we'll get the set of the 4 filters and a nice microfiber cleaning cloth. The filters are housed in this little magnetic pouch case that comes with a little screen protector on it, and once you basically remove that, you'll be greeted with all the filters available to you. Inside the box we have 3 ND filters coming in at a 16, 64 and 256 strength, and you can imagine these a little bit like sunglasses for your Pocket 3. What's also cool is we get the CPL filter, and this is a really awesome and quite unique filter because essentially it reduces reflections on non-metallic surfaces, so for example water, glass and so on. It also improves the color saturation and enhances the picture clarity, and what's nice about this one is that it can actually be rotated to adjust the light and better control the shooting effect. Trying out the little ND filters, we get the various strengths, and what you want to apply these strengths is basically how bright your day is or the light that you're shooting in. These will reduce the amount of light that can enter the lens and let you either expand the aperture or shutter speed to prevent overexposure or using a too high of a shutter speed. You can go into manual mode on the Osmo Pocket 3, basically dial in all the settings. It has like a sort of assisted auto, so you select a range and you set the sort of shutter speed to be basically double of your FPS, and you'll end up with a really nice cinematic looking film. Checking out the CPL filter, this is one I was most hyped for, and I'm just trying it out here at this lake. So what you want to do is again install it onto your camera, and these filters are pretty nice because they're all magnetic and have quite a strong magnetic force, so they really attach well to the Pocket 3. With this attached, we can already start testing out the filter, and this is really nice because essentially here, for example underwater, when you start turning on the filter, nothing happens, but because it is variable, you can change the amount on the filter. So if we start turning that, we can see already it reduces a lot of the glare on the actual water and allowing for a lot more details to come in. For example here we can really see the details of that fog flying across the water here, and let's just compare without the filter basically set to 0%. All those details kind of get lost and a lot of reflections are added into the video. So if I just switch back here to using the filter, you can really see how much more depth and vibrancy you get in the video, and also that you can see this fog, for example, on top of the water surface. I think this filter is really stunning and it makes your footage just a bit more magical, cinematic, and I absolutely love it. What's cool is that the filter also, it basically works like any other filter on the Pocket 3, so it doesn't interrupt how the shooting or gimbal will close, so it fits really flush with the Pocket 3 and doesn't get stuck. And if you're wondering how I'm actually filming these shots, TELESIN sent also over one of their cool accessories, and that would be the MagSafe neck mount for the iPhone. And here you can just see basically how I'm using it to film all these handheld shots. This is pretty cool because your phone can just magnetize into it. It even comes with little magnetic MagSafe rings, so you can use it on your Android phone. And definitely check out their store. The link will be in the description below. This is not sponsored, they just sent over the products, but I think they make some pretty cool accessories, so definitely do check them out. Back in the studio, we can just test out how the ND filter acts. Here I've got the shutter speed set to 1/50th, and you can see basically you get that nice motion blur. Once more, I'd just like to demonstrate how the CPL filter really works, and here for example on the TV screen at the beginning, the footage is super reflective and glossy, but as soon as we turn that filter on, it tries to kind of like eliminate any reflection on the surface. Like a little bit is left over, but it just looks so much better with it on. Here for example again on the PC case we can see a lot of reflections, for example the screen, the window, and rotating that, it basically works like magic, removing all those glares and basically giving a much cleaner look through the glass. And that would conclude my video about these little filters. I really do love the set. I think it's something very cool to have, especially if you want to film more cinematic videos. What do you think about these filters? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos about the Pocket 3. Thanks for watching.